Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Masterclass. And today we're having a look at the absolute classic Praying for Time by the fantastic Mr. George Michael. Okay, we're going to do a nice stripped down acoustic guitar version for this great song. And just to say, the George Michael version, the beautiful George Michael version, would be exactly what we're going to play, but it would be with a capo on the first fret. But we're going to try it just nice and open in case you don't have a capo, so you can play along with me. Okay, for this one, the chords you will need are A major. You will need an A major 7. You will need an A7. You will need a D major. You will need a D minor 7. You will need an F. You will need a G. You would need an E. You would also need an F sharp. And you would need a B minor. Okay, so as I always say, if any of those give you any problems, just try freezing the video and the screenshots, practicing them a few times till you're nice and comfortable with them. But assuming you're good to go, let's crack on with the song. The arrangement, the chords will come up on the screen, and I'm going to, again, it's a bit high for me, but I'm going to hum the tune in the background so you can see how the melody sits on the chords. But let's just get ready with that A major for the first chord. Okay, 3, 4, and A. Major 7. A7, D minor 7, and F and G and A, major 7, A7, D minor 7, and F, and couple more verses, stay, major 7, A7, back to A, major 7, A7, D minor 7, and F, bridge and B minor, F sharp, D major, E, and E and F sharp, back to B minor, F sharp, D, now back to A, and A major 7, A7, D minor 7, F and G, back to A, major 7. A7, D minor 7, and F and G to the bridge, B minor and then F sharp, D major, E now, and E and F sharp, back to B minor, F sharp, D major. Way through. That's a fantastic song. He's a bit of a great vocalist there, so work on your vocals. I'm sure it'll sound much better than my little version there. And don't forget, the George Michael version does use the capo on the first fret, but that one sits perfectly with the chords there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy, but see you again soon for more great easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.